So install Suman. I'll just show for like once. If you have any issues, you can just see. Yeah, I guess you can see my screen. Let's start from starting. Uh, type Fusion 360. Then go to this one, Autodesk Fusion, the official one. Then click on download free version. Then here you can click on Autodesk Fusion for personal version, personal use. Get Autodesk 360 for personal use. Then here you can see the differences between both apps. But yeah, you can like for free you can get this like personal use one. Then you need to type your email. Yeah, you can just go through this and install. You can type your password and like I already have account. If you don't have, you can create one. And through this, you can directly download this simple it is. So if you don't, please do it now. Just here you again you type your here. If you don't have account, you're doing it for the first time. If they'll ask for PIN code and your state. That's it. Then you can submit. And yeah, download now. Yeah, it got downloaded for me. I can just click on it and install. I already have installed yesterday, so I don't think I can do it again now. So for the people who, I mean, you can just click on this and say whatever they ask you to, and it will take you to the something like this. I'll show you. Stop share.
Tejaswini, can you check your voice? I think they are not audible.
Can you hear me now? I was not speaking till now. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you.
Yeah, this is how like the one we filled with personal mail looks like. Uh, so I hope you started installing or you have installed, and we'll start the actual session in few minutes.
Hi, is my screen visible? Hello.
You can continue.
All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Summer School 2024. Today, Avantika and I, Arsha, will be conducting a session on CAD. We are going to venture into 3D modeling with CAD. Follow us and work with us while we create something super cool. But first, I think we should start with the basics. What is CAD? CAD is computer aided design, which is essentially the process of creating the design of a real world product digitally before manufacturing it. Through CAD, we can explore the intricacies of a system by designing every single component that's used within it. Top applications of CAD include 3D printing. It's used in automobile industry, dental industry, fashion, and architecture. Moving on to the softwares, we have AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Tinkercad, among many other. And today we'll be using Fusion 360. I hope we've all installed the app and kept it ready. The basics of creating any design on CAD is to convert a 2D figure to a 3D figure, which is done by having the orthographic projections of a model ready. Orthographic projection is basically the view of any 3D model from either the front, top, or side. So we use these to develop the 3D model. As you can see on the screen, on the left and right, you have the orthographic projections of the model that's there in the center. What will we learn today? Today we'll learn how to make this design, this drivetrain, as you can see, on Autodesk Fusion 360. And my friend Avantika will guide you through it. I request you to keep open your Fusion 360s and keep it ready. And it will take some time, so just calm down. Over to Avantika.
The voice is not audible actually.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Uh,
Hello. So guys, shall we start the meet now? Are you guys ready?
Yeah, yeah.
So good morning guys, this is Avantika. So today we are gonna make some cool Fusion 360 model. Okay, so yeah, let's start making the wheel first. So first click on this create sketch and choose the plane on which we're going to create the sketch. So I'm choosing the YZ plane here. Are you following me now? Yeah, put a thumbs up if you are following me and you're ready with your fusion screens open now. Yes, right? Sure. Okay, yeah, sure. So we'll start from first again. I turn on the origin so that we can see the planes. Now I have clicked on this create sketch and shows the YZ plane here so that we can create a sketch. So that you can see right. Make sure you can see right towards you. That means YZ plane. So yeah, first we'll create two circles. When you press the create drop down menu, you can find different options over here. For now, I'm selecting the circle and the center diameter circle option. Click on this. First, select the center and give the radius to be 11. And then another circle of radius 10. Check in document settings whether if not change the unit type to millimeters. So yeah, okay. Now click on the finish sketch. You guys do that if yes, yeah, it comes. Okay. Now click on create and select extrude command from here. Click on this surface and give the distance of extrusion as 2.5 mm and operation to begin about complete. Okay. Now you can see the extruded part. Now to this everyone please not only one person, you have to come so that we can guys following. We do that explanation and we get as this. So please react. No, I can slow down. Just let me know. Yeah. It's very easy to follow. They want her to do it again. I know that. I'll start from the beginning. So yeah, first turn on this so that you can see the origin planes over here and the so click on the create sketch
Plus,
and choose a plane. For now, I'm choosing this YZ plane.
layered soil
On
हो
this create menu
10 रुपए
and
बेसी कर देना
choose
है ना
circle, center diameter.
layered soil
Choose the center point as the origin point. Is my voice cracking or hello? Is it clear now?
Yeah, Vantika, we can hear you. Go on.
Okay. So yeah, the first circle diameter is 11 mm and press enter once done. Again, go to create, choose the circle command, select the center and give a diameter of 10 mm and click enter. Have you guys done? React with a thumbs up if you have done. Okay, okay, cool. So click on finish sketch and go back to the create and here you'll find extrude command. Let's see here drop down. Yeah, there is options. The create drop down menu.
The mom we are not able to hear your voice.
I think they are facing voice problem from your side.
Fine. So then just a minute, we'll start again to other device.
Hello, Amantika.
Yeah, so we already did this tip, so we are muted. From now we can.
Be a
Are you
little
guys
bit
done with
loud.
this part?
Yeah, can you hear
Fine.
us now?
Okay, fine. Now let's construct a mid-plane to this. For this, click on construct and we can find mid-plane in the drop-down menu. Click on that and click on the strength and this back surface so that you can see the mid-plane over here intersecting with the point of the planes and click OK. Now click on the create sketch and choose this mid-plane. Now let's construct two circles on this mid. React with the thumbs up, please.
Non-consecutive sentences. If we are giving consecutive sentences, then we are already having that label as one. And if we are not taking non-consecutive sentences, then the label is zero. So in this way, supervision is also coming from the
Avantika, you're on mute.
Ma'am, we are not able to hear you.
Amantika, your voice is not coming.
Okay, now is it clear, right?
And also start from the plane section.
Yeah. So when
Some of them.
After the mid-plane.
we'll start. Guys, giving post out, try to follow. So, and even if you can't follow, don't worry, it will be uploaded in YouTube. You can see that again.
So yeah, now I'll start again with the
Start from here.
mid-plane part. Fine, right? Okay. So for constructing the mid-plane, click on construct and click on this mid-plane option. Select the planes. One is this plane and one is this part. So once you select it, you can find the mid-plane which is being constructed here. Click on OK. Now select create sketch. Choose this mid-plane now. Choose the circle command. Give a diameter of 1.2 mm and another circle with diameter 0.9 mm. Okay. Click on finish sketch. Now go to the create menu and choose the extrude from the drop down menu. You can click on this ring and choose direction as symmetric and give the distance to be 1.75 mm on both the sides.
All guys, done till here. Are you following?
and click on OK. So this is what we have done till now. Yeah. Now go to construct, select this XY plane.
You can't select it from here. You can you can click top here. It will come. Like you can see it facing.
Keep the origin on so that you can see all the axes and planes. And give the distance to be 5.5. Click on OK. You guys are done with this. Now click on create sketch. Choose this newly constructed plane. So yeah, choose a line command first. Click on this center point. Give a dimension of 1.25 and another line perpendicular to this line of 1 mm. Click enter. Okay. So the last step you will do, which is creating everything from starting. Please follow. First, I'm creating a sketch on this YZ plane. Two circles of diameter 10 mm and 11 mm. After doing this, click on finish sketch. Click on extrude over here. Click on this ring part and extrude it to 2.5 mm. And click on OK. So you get this extruded part over here, right? Now go to construct and click on the midpoint. Once you choose this, select these two planes, the front and back side of the ring, so that you'll get a mid plane like this. And then click on OK.
So whoever is asking, did you follow us now and did you get that extruded circle? Extrusion dimension, please. What's the extrusion?
2.5 mm.
2.5 mm. Okay, we'll describe first. Let's select how to rotate a magnet. Right. So now we'll describe.
So again, click on this create sketch, choose the mid plane over here and use the circle command, which is here in create. Select the center point and give a diameter of 1.2 mm. And another circle with diameter 0.9 mm. Click on finish sketch. When you click the home option here, you can see the part whichever we have designed till now. And again, click on extrude. Choose this ring, this part, the extruded flow. Choose the direction to be symmetric and the distance to be 1.75 mm. And click the operation to be new body and click on OK. Is it fine, guys? Okay. So now we are going to construct a plane parallel to this XY plane. Click on the XY plane and give the offset distance to be 5.5 and click on OK. And if you zoom out and click on the top, you can see this newly constructed plane over here. Click on create sketch and choose this plane. Now choose on the line command. Select this center point and give a distance of 1.25. Click on here. Then
Ma'am, you are muted.
just a minute. So guys, check the chat of this session. We will be sharing a file which our presenter Avantika wrote for you guys. So you can follow that text if you miss any dimension. Just a minute, we'll upload that. To page. Yes. I was saying that, Okay, shall I continue, guys? Click
Yes,
on
ma'am.
this point, give a length of 1 mm, click on enter, and then go to create, choose 3-point rectangle from here, choose this corner point and this point, and give a breadth of 0.5, 0.25 mm. Okay. Now let's mirror this rectangle to the other side. Go to create and choose mirror from here. Choose these 4 lines.
Just click on those, it will get selected.
Choose the mirror line to be this center line so that we can see the other side also, right? And click on OK. Click on finish sketch now. Go to this home so that you can view it like this.
Ma'am,
Now go to extrude, click
ma'am,
on extrude. Choose these points or the way that I'm selecting and then go to direction, click on sides. The 0.5 on the above and a distance of 0.1 mm below. Click on operation join and click on OK.
Check you made all the options, all the selections as she selected. React with if you are done with it. Hello.
Have you guys finished doing it?
We're just one more step away from creating the
Finishing the video. Are you guys done doing it?
Guys, please react with thumbs up if you are done with this. Rectangle dimensions 1.5 and 1.
No, like, so, wait, let's show it. Okay. So, yeah, here I drew a line from this point of like 1.25 mm and a perpendicular line of 0.1 mm. And then I chose using in create sketch, you will get an option in rectangle called 3-point rectangle. So you can choose these 2 points and give a breadth of 0.25 mm. So that's what I did actually. So once you do it, I mirrored using the mirror option. I mirrored this 4 lines to this side. So I'll get a symmetric rectangle on the other side. And then click on finish sketch and you'll get this sketch. And then I clicked on extrude and then selected these 4 parts and then extruded it to what it looks like on this. Is it fine?
Can you hear us at least?
Okay. So yeah. Now go to create and you're showing something called pattern over here. Click on circular pattern. Go to components. Sorry, features and select this extruded part which we have designed now. Zoom out a little bit and go to select axis as our x axis. Once you turn off this, you can see the axis is clearly. Choose this red axis and turn the bodies again. So now here give the quantity to be 35 and distribution to be full and click on OK. Is it fine, guys?
If you have doubts, you can take screenshot at that point if you can't note down those options. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Click on OK. Now turn on the mid plane that we have constructed.
Can you please
Now
repeat
click
from
on
the
create
extrusion
sketch and
part?
choose this mid plane again.
Which extrusion?
The one when we extrude the two rectangles, symmetrical rectangles.
So you can follow, we share a document in Teams. You can follow that. We don't have enough time.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Please follow the document we share.
Like, see the document for the dimensions. I have given the dimensions clearly.
And don't worry if you can't follow, just listen. You'll get an idea of what execution is and everything. It will be uploaded in YouTube. You can again watch everything there. And if you can't do wheel, fine, you can at least learn the next parts, motor and everything. Like if you're stuck at the beginning itself. Try doing from document till she completes the wheel. Otherwise, if you still can't do, fine, leave it. She'll create a new component for motor and everything. But start from there and learn the wheel part from the video uploaded video. Join that. Yeah.
So once we did this extrusion, I am choosing the create sketch and choosing this midplane that we have constructed before. Choose on the circle command. Select the center point and give a diameter of about 8 mm. And again a diameter of about a circle with diameter of about 10 mm. And now click on finish sketch. Now click on the home button so that you can see the full scape of it. Go to extrude. Click on this ring part and the direction to be symmetry. The distance to be 1 mm on both the sides. The operation should be join and 0 taper angle and click on OK. Again, go to create sketch, choose this midplane, and now we'll create this point. Choose the 2-point rectangle, 0 point, and give a breadth of 0.4 and a length of 4.2 mm. So we'll get a pattern like this. And then go to create, choose circular pattern, choose these 4 sides of the rectangle. The center point is this origin point. And give the quantity to be 12. Click on OK. Click on finish sketch over here. And then go to home again. So yeah, see, you can see the circular pattern which has been created here. Click on right. Zoom in and then go to extrude. Choose these parts that you have created now. That's all so that you can see these parts also. See these parts too. Rovers kind of thing. Then change the operation to join. Are you guys done with this? Like, are you guys following me? Can you follow me? Put a thumbs up if you are following me now. Or you want me to slow down a little bit? Fine, right? Okay. Change the direction to symmetric and give the measurement as 1 mm. Change the operation to join, don't forget it. Click on OK. So just work. Hello. Can you guys follow me? Am I audible now? Hello. Yes, please, Riya.
Ma'am, you are audible, but little bit your voice is breaking.
Should I return the point again or are you guys fine with it?
Ma'am, once can you tell the rectangle part?
You want me to
Rectangle part.
repeat the part again, like which I have designed now?
Ma'am, only the rectangle part from where did
The
you
extrusion part,
get
which
the
I did at the last.
yes, ma'am.
Are you guys done till here? React with the thumbs up if you have done. Okay, fine. So after this, we'll save this file for now. Click on this and you can see something called save. Click on save. Give the name to be wheel and save it. So we have saved this design. Now let us create the other motor and the other parts. Click on this plus so that you will get a new file. New file will open for you.
Yeah. Whoever couldn't do wheel part can also start from here. So if you are stuck in between, leave that and click on plus and start from here.
The first page will have all the dimensions and instructions about making the wheel in the Google Docs that we have shared. Now we're starting with the next part. Now choose and create sketch. Choose the YZ plane again. Now we are gonna make again 2 circles. Draw 2 circles. Select on the circle command. Select the center and give the diameter as 0.9 mm. Zoom in.
So zooming in, you can just pinch your like pinch on the touchpad.
And a circle of diameter 3 mm. Click on finish sketch. Click on this home button so that you can see it clearly. Click on extrude. Choose a smaller triangular part. You can use this arrow to extrude on the directions also. Also, you can give the dimensions here. Give a distance of minus 3.5 mm because we want it in the opposite side. Click on OK. Sometimes the sketch will go off, so you can use this to totally sketch again. This one is 3.5 mm.
Yeah, the circle extrusion she did just now is 3.5 mm.
You can choose an extrude, choose this and this circle, and give an extrusion this over the right side as 3.5 mm again. And click on OK. Zoom out a little bit. Click on create sketch again. Choose this plane over here. Click on the circle command. Create two more circles of radius 4 mm and 4.5. Functional sketch. Press this home icon so that you can come back to this view. Now choose an extrude and take this ring part and extrude it in the left direction. Distance of about 2.5 mm. Operations join and click on OK. So basically, this circle, I have considered one circle of 4 mm and one of 4.5 mm. The outer circle of 4.5 mm diameter. Three mm, diameter 3 mm. You can click on the circle and see the dimensions actually. So this is of 3 mm and this one is of 4 and this one is of 4.5 mm. So yeah. Now click on extrude and choose this plane over here. This one. It's between 3 and 4 mm. Between 3 and 4 mm. And give the distance as 2.5. The operation is join and click on OK. Now on the sketch again here, you can see this option here. Again, choose extrude, choose this ring between 4 and 4.5, and also this two circles, and give a distance of about 0.5 mm. Operation is join and click on OK. Have you guys done till here? Do you guys have any doubts? Fine, right? Can you continue?
Okay, so I called my 3.5.
Okay. Wait, someone asked, this one says 3.5 mm. This one, this complete cylinder was of 3.5. I again made another circle and extruded it this in this direction for about 2.5 mm, and the this circle, this extrusion was of 0.5 mm towards right.
Please follow the document. You can see
I have given the dimensions clearly in the document also. You can see that. Refer it if you have any other doubts. Now we can add fillets if you want. So click on modify and click on this fillet command over here. Choose this circle and we can give a fillet radius of about 0.2 mm here and click on OK. This so that this is the motor part that we have designed. Now we will create the connecting rod between the two motors. Now click on create sketch command. Choose this plane. Click the create, and in the drop down you can find rectangle. Click on center rectangle.
So I shared the link of the document in the WhatsApp group. You can see where her arrow or what you call cursor is. There she is explaining. So follow that. Now I can see many of you join. Wherever she is doing, you can see her arrow. So please see that and
Okay. So now we're creating the center rectangle. Choose a center point. You can give length and breadth. I'm giving the breadth to be 2 mm and the length to be 2.5 mm. We'll create one more rectangle like this. Click on the center and then give the length to be 3 mm. Click on tab to move to the next and give the breadth as 2.5 mm and click on OK. Click on finish sketch now. Click on extrude over here. Select this part, this one, between the two rectangles and extrude it to 1 mm. Compression is joined. Click on OK. Now let's create a sketch on this surface over here, this one.
Ma'am, on which surface?
Click on create and choose a rectangle to be 3-point rectangle. Choose these two corner points and give a breadth of about 0.5 mm. Then one more rectangle just like that. If you want to name the letter, just enter it. I'm doing it again so that you guys can follow. So, yeah. So we'll get two rectangles like this. on the mirror line command and draw a line perpendicular, so we can use this to mirror it on the other side. The line can be of any dimension, that's okay. Now go to
Your screen
create,
is not visible
choose the
right
mirror
now.
command, choose these lines. As objects, and for the mirror line, choose and
Ma'am,
select.
ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Choose this line which we have drawn now and click on OK. So we can see the mirrored side over here. You press on the home. So yeah, and now go to finish sketch and go to extrude. Sorry guys, where did you screen was presenting? When did the screen stop? Did you say when did the screen stop? Now it's visible, right? From creating the diagonal rectangle. Just let me go back to creating the diagonal rectangle. Okay. So we have extruded to this part, right? We have created two rectangles and we have extruded this part. Now I'm creating a sketch on this plane here. Go to create and rectangle, and you can find 3-point rectangle over here. Click on it. Click the two corner points and give a breadth to be 0.5 mm. Click on OK. Now, yeah. And again, choose this 3-point rectangle. Choose the corner points and give a dimension, breadth of dimension 0.5. Okay, right. Now we need to mirror this on the other side. So I'm using a line, choosing this as a center point and drawing a line of some random dimension. Click on this and then go to create. You can find this mirror option over here. Choose this mirror option, and for objects, choose the lines which we have drawn, the sides of the rectangle. Choose a mirror line to be this line and click on OK. Have you guys done till here? Will I continue? Now click on finish sketch. Choose extrude. Select these parts. Selected. And then extrude it. Here you can do distance to be 8. Click on select the operating to new component. Always use join. For now, I'm changing it to a new component. And click on OK. Now we are gonna construct a plane parallel to this plane here, this triangle plane. First, project offset distance to be 0.4 mm. And click on OK. It's not okay. Now Go to create, choose mirror from the drop down menu. Choose this motor part which we have created already and select the mirror plane which we have constructed now. And yeah, we'll get the part on the other side. Click on OK.
You guys did the mirror which she said, mirror operation. Yeah, with thumbs, otherwise she will do it.
Is it clear for you guys? Fine. Now we're gonna construct another plane parallel to this exit plane of distance 10 mm, which is offset to a distance of 10 mm. So you can see the constructed plane over here. Click on OK. Give the distance to be 10 mm and click on OK. Go to create, choose mirror, select these parts. This is a component and these two are bodies. So we can select only bodies for now and we'll mirror the component again. Choose a mirror plane to be this mid plane that we have constructed now. The operation is a new body and click on OK. Now again go to create and choose mirror. Now we'll change the object type to components and choose this component that we have created. Select the mirror, which is this plane, and click on OK. So I'll turn off this construction for now so that you can see it clearly. So this is what we have done till now. Are you guys done with this?
Does anybody want to like this mirror cards alone to be done again? We have to with hand raise if you want, or like something in this part to be done again.
Ma'am, mirror part.
So we assume you did. Okay, just a minute. So, only raised hands. Yeah, yeah, we'll continue with this.
Okay, so now let's go to insert and insert component. We have already made the wheel, right? So we'll insert it to this. Here in admin project, we have saved the wheel over here. Click on the wheel and press insert.
Guys, let me know how to do it. We'll do it once again.
Shall I do it once again? Did you guys insert the wheel in this document?
Please react with thumbs up. You need to save that before you can insert. So go to your wheel thing and press Control S and do what she said. If you can't insert the wheel.
So you guys are done. Hope you guys are done with it now. I'll continue with this. Now go to assemble and you'll find an option called joint. Click on it. Choose this point And then choose this point over here. Change the motion to the wheel. So you can see the wheel spinning. Are you guys done with this? Is it clear or do you want me to show it again?
See the position settings, and also you can see motion. Click on motion here and see motion settings. And make sure you select the first one as the wheel, the second one as the motor. Otherwise, the motor will rotate and the wheel will stay stationary.
So it's basically select the
First component as the wheel.
body which is gonna rotate, and the second component will be the body about which it's gonna rotate. You guys are done with this. Fine, right. And now click on OK. You can see the animation by clicking on this and then animate joint operations. You can see the wheel spinning, right? Fine. Click on escape, zoom out, and then you can use mirror to mirror this to the other sides also. We'll go to create, choose the mirror option, select this part, select the mirror plane. We have already constructed a mirror plane over here, so we can use the same plane. Choose this as the mirror plane. You can find the wheel over this side and click on OK. The component type is the object type is components, so make sure it is a component, otherwise you can't select it. Now click on OK. Now we are going to mirror it to the other side also. So let's again mirror these two wheels to the back side. Use the mirror command over here. Select these two wheels. Make sure this one is the object type is component. Click on the mirror plane. Select this mirror plane and click on OK. Now we're going to add joints to all these other three wheels also because that one won't be copied. So yeah, again, go to assemble, choose on joint. So you can use this corner tip to move the model and see. I'm moving it towards this side so that I can put this point over here. Close this and then move it back towards this side. And here you can choose this point again. And yeah, you can see the wheel spinning, right?
Make sure the rotate axis is Z axis and the type is revolute.
And click on OK. Similarly, we're going to do for the other two wheels. If you didn't follow, you can follow it this time and I'm doing it again. Go to assemble, choose joint over here. Move it towards this side. I'm zooming it in so that you can see it clearly. The first component is the wheel. I'm choosing this point. Again, I'll turn this towards the side. And choose this point. You can see the wheel spinning again, right? The motion is revolute and it's rotating about Z axis. Click on OK. Now let's do this to the next wheel also. I'll go to assemble, click on joint, and then choose this point over here, and then move it back towards the side so that you can see it here clearly. Choose this point again. And yeah, it's rotating right. Click on OK. Make sure the motion is always revolute because we are making a revolute joint over there. Click on OK. So we are done with the wheel part. Now let's create a top surface here. Click on offset plane. And go to this and choose the XY plane directly from here. And then offset it to about 3.25 mm. I turned off the construction so you couldn't see. So yeah, I think now it will be visible, the constructed plane. This is the new plane that is being constructed, which is offsetted by 3.25 mm. Click on OK over here. So this is the plane we are gonna make the next sketch. Are you guys following? Is it okay? Put the thumbs up if you can. Okay. Now click on create sketch and choose this plane. Now we are going to project the points on this plane. For that, go to create, choose project over here. Click on the point that we want it to be projected. I'm choosing this one and this one for now. And click on OK over here. You can see the projected points, right? It is highlighted in violet shade over here. Now go to 2-point rectangle, choose this point and this corner point. And click on finish sketch. Go to home position and we can see the sketch, right? So now we are going to extrude it. Click on extrude, choose these planes, including the front so that I can see little where it's being extruded. The dimension is 1 mm. You can see here minus 1 mm because we are extruding it in the negative direction. And click on OK. Are you guys done until here? Okay. Now, again, we are going to create one more sketch. Choose this plane over here. I'm choosing the 2-point rectangle. Let the length be 11 mm. I'm changing, click on tab so that you can change the dimension of the breadth. And I'm giving it as 4.2. And click on finish sketch. Go to home again. Now we'll click on extrude and extrude this part that we have sketched now. Give the extrusion length to be 1 mm. The operation is joined and click on OK. Now, are you guys done with this? Now I'm going to create a sketch over this plane over here. For this, I'm clicking on create sketch and choosing this plane now. Choose 2-point rectangle. Choose this corner point and sorry, we'll choose center rectangle. So that will be easy for us to give the dimensions over here because we are choosing the center point here. Choose this corner point and give a dimension of one length, the length to be 1 and change the breadth to be 1 also. So it's basically a square. So connect this one and the breadth is also. Similarly, we'll make 2 squares over this corner also. Now let's create one more rectangle. For this, I'm choosing the 2-point rectangle. I'm choosing the midpoint of this side and then select this 10 mm and the breadth is 0.5 mm. Click on OK. Click on finish sketch now. So you can see the sketch that we have drawn, right? Now click on extrude. Choose these parts that we have sketched now. I'm giving a distance of about 15.5 mm. And click on OK. We'll mirror this front part over here also. For that, I'm going to create, choosing the mirror over here, and I'll choose bodies and choose this one. And the mirror plane is that we have already constructed this mid plane, and yeah, and click on OK. So you would have got something like this in the back also, the same one that we have constructed in the front. Are you guys done till here? Do you want to come here?
Now we have time. She can explain again if you have any doubts. Guys, react with thumbs up if you're done with till here, or if you're stuck anywhere, raise your hand.
You want me to repeat anything? Please let me know.
Can you guys share your screen? So can we see anybody's model if they did? You can share your screen and show how much you did this model. Who wants to share their hand model?
Anyone who followed and finished the model
Fine,
till
if
now?
you're stuck in between, I will share the YouTube video. You can share your half finished ones also.
So let's add some text. Now I'll go to create sketch and choose this plane.
Sagar, do you want to share your CAD model? Oh, one guy started starting. It's fine. We'll share the YouTube video. Uh,
Yeah, I can share.
Nobody raised their hand. Yeah, you can continue. Anybody else want to share?
You can also share it as an image if you couldn't share it clearly.
Yeah.
Do take a screenshot and share it with us.
Yeah, and your assignment, you'll be having another CAD model, and also like you have to finish this, watch a YouTube video somehow, and send it as in a Google form. We'll be sharing in 1 hour or so. This will be your assignment to complete this model and also do a simple another CAD model.
So let's add some text to this. For that, I'll click on create sketch and choose this plane. Go to create and you can find some option called text. Choose it and we can draw the text box wherever we want our text to be visible. And then I'll reduce the height to 3. Okay, 1 is fine, I guess. And I'll add iBOT. I'll increase the height to 2 so that it comes from. I can also change the alignment with this.
We can't see the screen, Avantika.
I'll click on OK. So, and click on finish sketch. We can also extrude this written part that we have given. I'm extruding it to about 0.5. You can see it, right? So this is how you can add text and also extrude the text from there.
Hi guys. Now I'll just show you the assignment that we'll be doing. that you guys have to do. So this is called a paradoxical gear mechanism. And I have hyperlinked the video here in the presentation, but while I put up the form for submission, I'll also put up the video through which you can refer and make this gear. So we'll be sending out a form. In that form, you'll have to submit the assignment that we did right now, that is a drivetrain, and this assignment. I hope that's clear. The format will be specified in the form itself.
Actually, we couldn't see the last part of the drivetrain when she started the text part.
Okay, we'll just get that. Avantika, if you can share your screen and show the last part of the drivetrain.
Guys, is it fine now? So, did you guys see like how I added the text to this model? Fine, I'll show it once again. So I'm going to create sketch. I'll select the surface where I'm going to add the text. Go to create, you'll find an option called text over here. We can select the size of the text box based on the text that you're going to add. I'm adding the text to be iBOT. You can also change the alignment here, like in whichever way you want. I'm giving a center alignment. You can adjust this height also. Click on OK. Now click on finish text. I'll press this home button so that I can see it clearly and extrude this part alone. You can even extrude the text either in the outside manner or like something like this, or also inside also, like to as a depression part. Should be 0.5.
The attendance, if you guys want to leave, you can. If you have any doubts, please, you can ask now. If you had doubts in the CAD or regarding the
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, once can I share my screen? Like I was struck in after
Yeah,
creating
we'll
the
help you now.
I'm not able
Just a
to
minute.
mirror the.
You can share your screen. Please stop presenting this.
Ma'am, can you view my screen now?
It's blank.
Yeah, we can see it now.
Ma'am,
Thank you guys for attending. We'll be stopping the recording. We'll help you. Just a minute. Thank you for attending, and please attend the next session, which will be electronics. We'll teach you Tinkercad in the next session, and we'll upload the YouTube videos soon. Thank you guys. Yeah. Say your doubt.